Hello. So, a few hours ago, at the time of recording this, myself and others of the Twin Sons Foundation were purchasing books for the first event, which is going to be at Joe DiMaggio's Children's Hospital in Florida, for our 2024 10 events for 10 years fundraiser. And in doing so, we noticed a very worrying trend with the mass market paperbacks, in that the mass market paperback copies of various Star Wars Legends books that have Essential Legends Collections printings are harder to find and, for many cases, no longer available in new condition. So after that, I spent a good chunk of time going through Amazon to find all of the books that are in the Essential Legends collection and seeing what their availability was, and this was the result. Dark Force Rising, X-Wing Rogue Squadron, Darth Bane Dynasty of Evil, Darth Plagueis, X-Wing the Krytos Trap, The Old Republic Revan, The Old Republic Deceived, Dawn of the Jedi Into the Void, Republic Commando 000, Outbound Flight, and Survivor's Quest do not have mass market paperback editions available on Amazon in new condition at the time of recording this. Furthermore, um, Death Troopers and Republic Commando Hard Contact do have new editions that are available from official sources, but are over the MSRP value of $8.99, and this is very concerning. It's something that I've theorized for a while now was coming, that the Essential Legends collections would be in effect replacing the mass market paperback printings, and at least at the moment, it seems like we're seeing this happen. And and just to kind of give a breakdown of how this looks, this is the availability of the mass market paperback Legends titles for all the books with Essential Legends Collections printings. Of the 31, only 18 or 58% currently have a new edition available at MSRP from official sources on Amazon, 58%, just above half. 6 of them also have new editions that are above MSRP, and 36 of them, almost over a third of all the books that have been added to the Essential Legends collection that are officially released so far, do not have copies available on Amazon at all in new condition. And the reason that this is troubling is the fact that the mass market paperbacks is the lowest and cheapest barrier to entry for Star Wars books, and always has been. If you wanted to get started, there is no more cost-effective way than picking up mass market paperbacks for these books. And now with them becoming rarer and essentially being replaced by the Essential Legends collections, which are over twice as expensive at currently the mass market paperbacks MSRP at $8.99, whereas the Essential Legends collections are $16.99, so about twice as expensive as they are now. And as mass market paperbacks used to be $7.99 for the longest time, twice as expensive as they were previously, it is going to be a lot harder for newer fans to actually get their hands on these books, both in new condition and just being able to find them. And just a few other things is that not only are they harder to find, but they're honestly going up in price. As you can see for Survivor's Quest, the cheapest used version is about $36 once you factor in shipping. And if you want it new, it's $135 is the only one that they have. For Krytos Trap, just using a few examples, there isn't even listings for the mass market paperback. And in fact, for most of them, you'll find this. It'll have four formats here, and the mass market paperback edition isn't even in these first 4. You have to click others to find it. And for Krytos Trap, you can't even find it. For Dark Force Rising, the only new edition is, and this is the only one that's available on Amazon, US at the time of recording this, $102 with shipping. $103, I'm sorry. And then for a lot of them, when you do see the mass market paperback show up as an option, there are no featured offers available. which essentially means, and the reason why these are showing up as new, even though on the list earlier I said that they are not new copies, is because these are from third-party sellers, not Amazon themselves and the direct from the distributors. You are buying from basically a scalper to get a hold of these books. Now, it is true that the the Essential Legends collections do offer discounts, and discounts are on Amazon are kind of finicky, as it just depends on the time of the month, really, about what's discounted and for what. But still, it's replacing a very cheap and affordable way of getting a hold of these books with something that is much more expensive and are going to be much harder to find in years to come. So that was pretty much it. I just noticed this was happening, and wanted to make a quick video going over it, and just to get more awareness for this. That's the as we'd all taken for granted for a long time that we would have the mass market paperbacks available, that more and more just does not seem to be the case. And unless we do something, I guess, to speak up about this, we may be losing them entirely. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, take care.